name is Haythem Dabbabi. I'm a Tunisian mechatronics engineer certified in mobile robotics. When I was a kid, I loved to disassemble and assemble things, you know, like radios, hair dryers, remotes, etc. Well, I'm very proud to tell you, I was very good at disassembling things, but never in putting them back together again. You can imagine how many problems it caused me with my parents. When I always dreamed about a way for this technology to be used, in order to shape this energy. And as I grew up, I was introduced to what is called robotics for children. And I said, yes, this is exactly what I'm searching for. I have to do it, but I have to do it in a much cooler way than that. And I started working on a prototype with multiple kids. And after hundreds of tests and 5 versions in a row, we achieved a hilarious number of the kids. We were able to satisfy 80% of the kids with our product. Our product, which is actually a set of mechanical and electronic parts that can be assembled and programmed later in order to introduce them to technology. In order to increase the fun, we've included a set of documents that will guide them through their journey and an Android mobile application. We are aware of the existence of other competitors on the international market, but we have so many advantages: the price, the autonomy, the rigidity. And we didn't do that easily. We've been through so many failures before achieving this success, and today we are proud that all of our customers are satisfied with the experience. Our customers, that can be divided into 4 different categories: primary schools, individuals, geeks, and associations. We aim to enlarge our business to the Mediterranean market by the mid-2019, and in order to do that, we will be needing $150,000. I always say we, because we as a team, a young multidisciplinary team who shares the same vision and passion, and who succeeded to convince so many partners and clients until now. And today we are proud that all of these partners, among others, believed in us. Our vision is simple but precise. We aim to evolve the next educational toys of the future. So, if you do share the same vision and passion with us, and you want, among other things, to save some radios, choose Evocraft. Thank you for your attention.